How to see Snapchat call history. So if you want to see the Snapchat call history, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the upper left. Under your profile, you need to go with the settings, which is on the upper right. And here you will have an option of My Data. Tap on My Data, and you might need to log into your account and scroll down and then tap on Next, which is on the bottom right. And you just need to simply choose the date from which you want your call history. So I'll be choosing last week, and then tap on Submit, which is on the bottom right. And that's it. Now it will take some time, like some minutes or some hours, to export your data, or you will have a download option, or you will get notified in your email that your data is ready to download or ready to export. Snapchat is creating a copy of files, so this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. And after that, you will receive an email when your export is done. So that's how you can see Snapchat call history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.